Netflix won't even be a thing. I don't even know what the thing's gonna be. It'll be like fucking. Yep. Yeah, no. I'm waiting for YouTube to go. Oh wait for me. Wait, I'm gonna watch YouTube go on, like have its own like a TV channel. I have TVs still for some reason. Hit him. Hit him again. Oh god, run. Nice. Alright, we're doing work here. Getting locked. Where? What the fuck is locking us? Oh, it's the scout heli straight ahead. Up. Oh, he crashed. He's crashing. Alright. Still have TVs. So next time you see like something you want me to blow the fuck up, point at me at it. Getting on. They're all dead. Dip. Yeah, we're going ham on this thing right now. Heads up, Rock. Close. Let me pick you up. My screen was close, I don't know. Yep. Got him, go. Thank you, base thermal sight. They're on Alpha. I'm gonna TV him. I hit markered him. How do you get hit marker with a TV missile? That's bullshit. Nice. Got them all. Alright. I don't see anybody. Watch out. Attack boat. Scout heli's not going after us, but the attack boat is kind of not either. We're good. Good idea. Going after that heli. Ooh. Oh, he died. What you seeing? Oh, nice. Going eating niggas up. Attack boat. Line me up. Perfect. 50 disable. One more rocket going after him. Ah, damn it. Someone nicked my kill. Yeah, their anti-air probably get us. Yeah, fuck TV missiles. They're cool and shit, but like, they're not worth it. Yeah, I know. Heat seekers would be much better. Or, yeah. Getting owned. Listen up. We have taken objective Delta. Someone's behind us, or is that you? Oh, it's a heli. Oh my god. I spotted an enemy boat just west of. Oh, it's a scout heli. Their spawn. We shot nigga. Oh, nope, that's not it. No, I'm trying to get. For boat. Attack boat. Attack boat. Left. He's up, anti-air, get out. Attack boat. Oh, no, never mind. For boat coming in. No. Wreck, son. attack boat. Here, get me up, I get to TV. Oh. Oh, I died, but I hit him though. These things are totally usable. Yep. Got him. Oh, I didn't get the kill. Scout chopper. What a derp. TV nigga. That's not happening. Totally does. Get known. Hey, we're pretty close to the anti-air. We should probably dip. Nice. Did you get that guy? Oh my god. Because he just died midair. That was pretty funny. We're doing work in this thing. Like, this map is good. Yep, getting in. He's done. Keep it up, 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 up. Perfect. Done. Get on, faggot. Alright, TV missile is actually pretty decent. Like, yeah. Oh yeah, you're never getting any kills. Yeah, there's a lot of cover, that's what I'm saying. Here, attack boat. Scout chopper. Okay. Not even gonna bother with the TV, it's not gonna happen. Oh. I think he died. Oh, he's behind us. Oh, there he is. Down to the right. Alright, to the left, or you just turn around, 180. See him? Straight ahead. Yeah, I did. Everything. I'm fucking hungry. I need anything all day. Well, except for this in a row. Actually, yeah, I've had a lot to eat today. Forget. Back boat to the right. Line me up with TV. Perfect. We're boned. Oh, we're done. Oh, I got him though. I can't repair it. Wait, are we on fire? Yep, dip, 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 dip. Damn it, we were doing fucking work in that thing. Dude, I got 19 kills. Holy shit. Yeah, where did it spawn? Okay, I'm fucking redeploying, just going back.